Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to get zero in Excel. Displaying zero clearly in your spreadsheets is essential for accurate data representation and easy readability. We'll explore several straightforward methods to ensure your zero values are presented exactly as you intend, whether through simple formatting or more advanced options. These techniques will help you maintain consistency and professionalism in all your Excel work, making your data insights much clearer for everyone involved. One easy method is to use custom number formatting. First, select the cells you wish to modify. Then, right-click and choose Format Cells from the menu. In the Number tab, select Custom and enter the format code 0, -0, 0, at. This tells Excel to display 0 for positive, negative, and 0 values and nothing for text. It's a powerful way to control how your data looks without altering the actual cell value. Another excellent approach is using conditional formatting to highlight 0 values. Select your data range, then go to the Home tab and click Conditional Formatting. Choose Highlight Cells Rules, then Equal to. Enter 0 in the value box and select a formatting style, like a light red fill. This visually draws attention to cells containing 0, making your spreadsheet easier to analyze at a glance. Finally, you can use formulas or adjust Excel's general options. For instance, an if function can return 0 if a condition is met, like if a1 equals 0 a1. Also, you can go to File, then Options, Advanced, and uncheck Show a 0 in cells that have 0 value to hide them entirely. These methods offer great flexibility, allowing you to manage 0 values precisely according to your specific spreadsheet needs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.